Okay, I'm working on skill code 180050, subtracting decimals. Okay, I've written them all out already, but a couple keys to remember is that you always line up your decimals. Also, with subtraction, the first number here has to go on top. You can't reverse it. And you always subtract down. If a number is too small, we have to regroup. So I cannot do 0 minus 6, so I regroup here. That becomes a 2. Now I have 10 units there. 10 minus 6 is 4. Can't do 2 minus 7. Can't take from the 0. I got to come all the way over here. 1. That becomes a 10, but then it becomes a 9 because I'm regrouping over to here. 12 minus 7 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. My decimal comes straight down. I got to remember to keep the place value going. 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 0 is 5. And I didn't talk about it, but you can box out. So these, if you look at the original problem, 99.051, 99.051, 45.9. Some people like to put zeros where there are no values so that you have something to work with. So I'm subtracting down, decimals lined up. 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 0 is 5. Can't do 0 minus 9, 8, 10 minus 9 is 1, decimal straight down. 8 minus 5 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 53.51. Okay, again, I have my decimals lined up. Notice there's only 0.25, but I added a 0 here. Always subtracting down. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can't do 2 minus 5. I'm going to take from that. That's going to set me up to need to borrow here to regroup here. So 0 minus 2 can't do that. So I'm going to come over to my ones, make that a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Bring the decimal straight down. 8 minus 0 is 8. Okay, number 4. Again, I wanted to show you here, I put a 0 here. I can't subtract 0 minus 3. So I come here to the 9, make that an 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Decimals come straight down. Final answer 1.567. Over here, number 5, notice I had 33.3. First number has to be on top. I'm going to add some zeros here. Okay, and I'm always subtracting down. Can't do 0 minus 1. Nothing to regroup here. I got to come all the way to here and go over 2 doors. That becomes a 2. 10, now that becomes a 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is all tight in here. 9 minus 0 is 9. This was a 3, but now it's a 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Decimal comes straight down. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 21.99. Number 6. Okay, it's all lined up. Same, I added a 0 here, subtracting down. 5, can't. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Decimal straight down. 3 minus 1 is 2. Number 7. 5 minus 6. Can't do it, guys. You got to come here and regroup. 15 minus 6 is 9. Can't do 1 minus 8. Got to come here. 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. Can't do 3 minus 5. So I'm going to come here. 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. Decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 0 is 8. Final answer. Last one right here. Notice I had 41.002 and 8.03. So I have a 2 out here. I'm going to add a 0 just so I have something to work with. 2 minus 0 is 2. Can't do 0 minus 3. Can't regroup. I have to come all the way to here, make that a 0. 10 and a 9. Now I have 10 minus 3, which is 7. 9 minus 0, which is 9. I can't do 0 minus 8. I need something to work with. 3. Bring over the 1. Now I've got 10 minus 8, which is 2. 3 minus 0, which is 3. Final answer. So again, this is subtracting decimals. Line up your decimals. Subtract down. Bring decimals straight down. 180050.